Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. We have learnt a part of this dua. Now we'll take the remaining part. Yuhyi wa yumitu wa huwa hayyun la yamut. Yuhyi, he gives life. Okay, yuhyi means he gives life. Wa yumit, and he causes death. It is from hayat and maut. Yuhyi, he gives life. Wa yumit, and he causes death. Wa huwa hayyun la yamut. Wa huwa hayyun, and he is living. La yamut, he does not die. Okay, yuhyi wa yumit wa huwa hayyun la yamut. Biyadihi al-khayr, in his hand is all the good. Bi means in. Okay, yad is hand. Biyadihi, his hand, in his hand. Al-khayru, all the good. Okay, al-khayr, this the good means all good. وَهُوَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ, and he, ala means on, kulli is every, shay is thing, ala kulli shay, on everything, qadir, all powerful. بِيَدِهِ الْخَيْرُ, in his hand is all good. وَهُوَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ, and he is over everything powerful. Now yuhyi wa yumit wa huwa hayyun la yamut. What is the relevance of this dhikr with respect to market? A possible explanation is, Allah knows better, the market is full of lights and colors and we get lost in it. This colorful life in the market is given by Allah only. One day all these shining and glittering things will come to an end. The visitors of the market and the sellers and the buyers all must taste the deaths, and only Allah will live forever. Biyadihi al-khayr. When you go to the market with money to purchase delicious dishes, you should not think that they will benefit you or you will enjoy eating them. If Allah wills, these tasty dishes can turn into poison, resulting in your death. In the same manner, clothes and other things do not have any good of their own. You can benefit from them only when Allah wills. Biyadihi al-khayr. All good is in the hands of Allah only. وَهُوَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. Money and people have no power at all. Allah alone has absolute power over everything. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.